Ever felt completely lost staring at a new tech stack? Like a ship without a compass, just aimlessly browsing docs, not knowing where to even begin? Stop wasting your time. I'm going to show you how AI can generate a personalized learning roadmap, guiding you from zero to mastery faster than you ever thought possible. Learning a new tech stack, whether it's a new framework, a different language, or a cloud platform, is incredibly overwhelming. There's so much to learn. The biggest challenge isn't just what to learn, but where to start, what concepts are absolutely crucial, and in what sequence to tackle them. Without a clear path, you jump around, get frustrated, and often give up. So, how do we cut through that complexity and get a crystal clear learning path? We use AI. Here's how you prompt an LLM to become your personal learning guide. I start by giving it my current skill level, the target tech stack, and what I want to achieve. For example, let's say I'm a developer with basic JavaScript, and I want to become a full-stack developer using React and Node.js. You are an expert tech educator and curriculum designer. I want to learn a new tech stack. My current skill level is basic JavaScript knowledge, familiar with fundamental programming concepts. The target tech stack is React and Node.js for full-stack web development. My desired outcome is to be able to confidently build and deploy a full-stack web application. Please generate a comprehensive sequenced learning roadmap for me. For each stage, include 1. The main topic, 2. Key concepts to master, and 3. Suggested types of resources, e.g., official documentation, interactive tutorials, project-based courses, community forums. Structure this as a clear step-by-step plan. Look at that! In seconds, the AI has generated a complete logical roadmap. It breaks down the entire process into manageable stages, outlines the key concepts you must master at each step, and even suggests types of resources you should be looking for. No more aimless wandering. You have a clear, personalized curriculum right here. The impact of this is huge. It gives you immediate, clear direction, which instantly reduces that learning anxiety. You'll optimize your study time because you're focusing on the right things in the right order. This isn't just about learning. It's about becoming proficient in new technologies much faster and more strategically. This is how you genuinely level up your career. Here's your sticky takeaway. Conquer new tech stacks with confidence. AI is your personal learning guide. If this workflow helps you chart your course, hit that like button, share it with a developer friend who's feeling stuck, and tell me in the comments what tech stack you're tackling next. Subscribe for more AI workflows that level up your tech game. Next time, we're diving into an AI workflow that saves hours in bug reproduction.